Day 49 since the first COVID-19 case was reported and confirmed in Kenya. But watch these fast and fast.
Fellow Kenyans, as we cross into the new month, I'm delighted to inform you that in the last 24 hours, we have been able to record 15 new discharges. This is the largest number of discharges in a single day that we have registered. This now brings to 144 the total number of recoveries. Within the same period, we tested a total of 777 samples from 14 counties. Out of this, 12 people have tested positive for coronavirus.
Today, as it is our normalcy, we begin by appreciating one Kenyan very, very important person. And today, Hope Brothers donates our token of appreciation to a man who is now in the face of Kenyans, an effective one in leveraging multidisciplinary human, technological, and capital resources to achieve scientific, financial, and program goals. The founder of Center for Drug Management and African Center for Clinical Trials, a PhD holder in pharmaceutical chemistry from the University of California, San Francisco, my humble, meek, but hardworking friend from the times you were a deputy director in research at National Museums of Kenya, the second CAS in the Ministry of Health, Dr. Rashid Abdi Aman. Today, 30th of April 2020, Kenya records a total of 396 COVID-19 cases. And we bring you our hope food for today. Now, we would only assume the lessons from past crises if we run away from what Israel has been through many times in our nations, seeing them as a long-distant boat tossed by the wind. But what if at least our brothers were in it, or at the very best, we draw attention and lessons of hope? The truth is, Israel has gone through the second intifada, 4 wars, a stumbling spree, uncountable missile attacks, and that the people there absorb this crisis one by one, bouncing back with quite extraordinary resiliency. The corona crisis is something entirely different, however. It is asking us to do something quite out of character. It is separating us from the very people who in other times of stress are there to help us through. Can you mention one such friend to yourself? The worst thing is being unsure when or in our most vulnerable moments, even if we might come to hug them back. But, and I say but, everything that has a beginning has an end. Be resilient in hope.
Imeongezeka
Lakini
itaisha.
usiogope.
We are the Hope Brothers. See you tomorrow.
Mawazo bila tumaini.